This movement's being done on a cable machine, any cable, single arm attachment, foot flexed to keep the handle connected. And you're not going to go real heavy, but I want you to keep a lot of tension. Support your back, crunch. And you're going to reverse and do the movement on both sides separate. So you're going to work more of the obliques without adding thickness by twisting. So I don't want you doing any twisting ab movements. Oh, you're going to get through this movement. And then I want you to take a med ball, probably 10 to 12 pounds, or a dumbbell. And you're going to do Russian twists, except I don't want you to twist the torso from the waist to the shoulders. I want you to hold that weight, med ball, dumbbell. You're going to tap, 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 tap. So I want you to keep your chest forward the whole time, and I want you to pull your lower abs in. So inhale, inhale. So you're going to try to get the ground with that light weight, but keeping the abs contracted the whole time and forward, eyes forward.